You spent years mastering your craft. Now software learns it in a weekend. You feel replaced before you're even old. That sting is not new. The Stoics felt this exact fear. Marcus Aurelius ruled the mightiest empire alive. Yet he wrote himself a warning most nights. Heraft, he wrote, is a river of events rushing past you. Strong is its current. Nothing rides it twice. Your trade did not go obsolete. It was never permanent to begin with. Here is the part that sounds cruel, until you actually sit with it. Everything you built your name on was always headed downstream. Every skill you are proud of is on loan from moving water, not carved into the bank. So Marcus never asked what stays fixed. He asked, what could meet what comes next? Your judgment, your effort, your will to adapt. The river never asks permission to move, but it cannot drown someone already swimming. Tomorrow the current moves again. Bring your paddle, not your grip.